Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the retinal disease detection using machine learning. So let's select any image from the input image folder and then click or predict for cataract. Okay, we'll predict from different diseases. It will show the 99.35% for the cataract. Okay, let's select for the glaucoma. In the glaucoma, predict 50% accuracy. For the hypertension, it will show 98.42%. For the myopia, it predict 91.22% accuracy. And for the diabetes, it predict the 97.73% accuracy. Okay, it will also show in the home page. Let's upload any other image and predict for the myopia. It predict 94.24% accuracy. Okay, let's select any other image from the input image folder. Let's select this image and predict for the myopia. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.